Pig farming in Africa is not just about today. It's about tomorrow's opportunities. As the continent grows, so does the demand for affordable, high-quality proteins. Pork is already the most consumed meat in the world, and Africa is positioned to be one of the fastest growing markets. At Kabamba Farms, we believe pig farming is not only a business, but a movement for change, one that will create jobs, reduce poverty, and build food security across Zambia and beyond. There is a rising demand for pork. Africa's population is projected to reach 2.5 billion by 2050. Urbanization and middle-class growth are increasing demand for pork. Restaurants, butcheries, and supermarkets are expanding pork offerings. This growing market means pig farmers who position themselves now will reap massive rewards. Opportunities for value addition. The future is not just in selling pigs, but in processing and value addition.